What do you think, sir? CSE is important, especially for young people. What do you think about that?
Okay, comprehensive, globally, there has been several evidences that comprehensive sexuality education is very essential for young people. If you see the report, the State of World Populations 2021, that each year, UNFPA produces the report called State of World Populations. And if you see the State of World Population 2021 report, it says that globally only 55% of women are fully empowered to make choices over healthcare, contraceptives, and their ability to say yes or no to sex, and if you see, although evidence says that comprehensive sexuality education is very essential for young people to empower them and to it's good for their health and well-being. Only globally, only 56% of the countries have laws and policies that supports comprehensive sexuality education. So comprehensive sexuality education adds I would say it's a fundamental part for a human life, where every young people have to make decisions and that impact their overall health, sexual reproductive health and well-being. So if you see the importance, as it has been evident, there has been anecdotal evidence, there has been so many research done. This evidence shows that having comprehensive sexuality education improves a wide range of behavior determinants such as knowledge, attitude, perceptions, and being self-sufficient, that helps them to be empowered and to make decisions and make informed choices for services. It also says that if someone has comprehensive sexuality education, then it helps to have a desirable impacts on sexual activities, contraception and contraceptive uses. It helps young people build confidence and also helps enhance their negotiation skills actually. And then globally it says comprehensive sexuality education help prevents sexually transmitted infection, STI, HIV, AIDS, and it also prevents unwanted pregnancies. And it has been also evident that comprehensive sexuality education help prevents gender-based violence, as it addresses gender and power relations, and it promotes gender equality. So I would say that comprehensive sexuality education is enabler and protector to gender equality and bodily autonomy, and it helps reduce gender-based violence and overall sexual violences. So these are few of the points that I would say, and it's essential, and the importance of comprehensive sexuality education. If you have the comprehensive sexuality, you are able to make decisions, you are empowered, you can have negotiation skills, you are promoting gender equality. So this is the importance of comprehensive sexuality education.
Thank you, sir. Sir, you have 3 years of work experience here at UNFPA Nepal, and you may have witnessed several kinds of experience as well. Can you please mention some of the positive standouts that are made in CSE related areas?
Yes, Renuji, it's not as you said in the beginning, in Nepal and in terms of UNFPA, UNFPA started promoting CSE and doing lots of interventions from 2014, and by starting, doing the assessment of the various curriculums, where and CSE has been integrated or not. So starting from the research on the status of CSE in Nepal, and then based on the recommendations from that research, the UNFPA started various interventions in Nepal. And from then and now, if you see, there has been from a very from 3 or 4 years back, whatever interventions that was done by UNFPA and other in the departments and other societies, it was in a very initial phase. It was just before the federal structures, there was somehow interventions that was related to school-based interventions, like having teachers training or having dialogue or say peer educators training. But now it has moved, the interventions has moved beyond out of federalizations. there has been engagement, there has been providing technical support to various local and provincial governments to integrate CSE in various policies programs, and also having dialogue with the government to create policy environments. Now, the process, like the CSE program is gradually upscaling by the even by UNFPA, and it's being taken, and even civil societies are taking comprehensive sexuality, like various other civil society organizations, NGOs, how now started implementing comprehensive sexuality education as a part of the, we can say, there's as a part of their adolescent and youth program. So CSE has been interest of civil societies, various NGOs and INGOs. It has not only now been confined in schools, or building the capacity of teachers or delivering CSE in schools, but the dialogues on the CSE topics has been initiated by engaging with the various the community gatekeepers and the community peoples, having dialogue with the governments, and having all these, and because all these discussions and interventions, as a result of that discussions, now CSE, if you see the very recently the government is developing education sector plan like 2030, and now because of our efforts and technical supports, government has taken this CSE as a priority and have integrated the CSE in the education sector plan. So looking after these all evidences, we can say it's the CSE is being promoted, is progressing, and it's being interest of young and other civil society groups.
Thank you, sir. These are all the sets of questions that I needed to ask to you. And thank you, sir, for giving us your time and putting your valuable points on CSE, its situation, hindrances, way forward, and put efforts that are put by the government on the context of CSE. Thank you, sir.
Thank you so much, Renuji. Thanks for this opportunity. And I hope whatever information that I have provided be beneficial and informative for the target groups, for the stakeholders, and even for the young people who will have access to these online platforms. So thanks to you, for taking this innovative approach by spreading the knowledge and information regarding CSE. Thanks, Renuji.